gonna make a fabulous tiramisu, a very famous Italian recipe created in 1969 near Venice. It's a cream custard with eggs, sugar, cacao powder and some little secret ingredients. Alright, so once again we went to our Whole Food market and we got some eggs, mascarpone, vanilla extract, coffee, liquor cream, like this one is called coffee bohème, okay, but we can also use some other alcohol. So crème fraîche, ladyfingers, some sugar and some cocoa powder. Alright, so we're gonna start, okay? We're gonna take a bowl, mixing bowl, or actually two mixing bowls, and we're gonna use for this recipe 6 eggs. So we're gonna use the yolk of the egg. Okay. So we have to separate the yolk from the white. All right. And we're gonna put over here. Okay. So that's all you do. Here we go. So first make sure you have your hand clean, you wash your clean your hand before that I did. So here we go. One. Try not to break it. Alright, so we're done with the eggs. So we're not gonna use white of the eggs, so this white can be used to make an omelette, for example, or any other preparation you may like. There is two ways to make these recipes. One is by beating the egg white, and the other one is by using crème fraîche. Today we're gonna use crème fraîche, and maybe another time we're gonna do the recipes with the egg white.